Jojo. I'll be giving you tips on how to create great music, write great music as an artist and as a musician. Yes, the first step, you gotta choose a genre, you gotta write the right lyrics, and you gotta engage with fans everywhere, and you gotta get your music out there. You know what I mean? Yeah, but these things take a lot of steps, and these things take a lot of support, and these things take lots of sacrifice. Yeah, to make great music, it takes a lot of sacrifice. And thanks for joining me again on business. Yeah, tips in the business. And this episode few, and thank you for joining me. Yes. To create great music, what is the first thing came to your mind to create great music? The first thing that to create great music is, you don't know, you have to have the ambition. You have to be a music lover. Yeah, you gotta be a music lover, because lots of these new artists, lots of them, they know. You see them? Yes, I'm going to put in my patois style, you see me? Yeah, alright. You see, lots of these new artists, they're not music lovers, you see me? So, they are engaging with fans, but they don't love music by heart. Yes, I'm talking about loving music by heart. You don't know, as you wake up in the morning, the first thing that should come to your mind is music. The first thing that should be on the radio is music. You have the radio on all night. You have the music playing all night. You don't know, and you got to engage with fans that way. You understand me, I say? Alright. So, the first thing before becoming an artist, I'm talking about artists. You have to choose a genre that you want to work with. Whether dancehall, hip hop, pop, you don't know R&B, reggae, you don't know soca, yeah? You don't know EDM, same way about. We Jamaican don't work with EDM. We work with dancehall and reggae and also hip hop or rap. I don't know. You gotta choose your genre that you're gonna be working with. Because a lot of these artists, they just get up every day. They don't have to know where they want to sing about. Yeah, they don't know what they want to sing about. But they get up, they don't know what the genre they want to work with. They get up, you don't know what them get up, they don't know what they want to talk about or nothing. But people, here's what I'm saying, as you're becoming a musician or an artist, you gotta be sure of the genre that you want to work with. But they want to be a multi-genre. Yeah, because we are multi-genre. Yeah, people who sing hip-hop and also dancehall. That is called multi-genre. But you see, if you're really choosing a genre, you cannot be singing a dancehall song with a hip-hop style or a rap style in it. Dancehall and reggae are two different things from hip-hop and rap. So please, people, choose the genre. You see me? Alright, as well. You see me? As well as writing songs, you gotta engage with fans. Find the great lyrics, find the remedy. You see me? The remedy. Yeah, I know something when you go for internet, you go pick up. Yeah, you have to sit down and make the song from the riverside in way. You see me? Whether in a crowd, same way, if you can make the song in a crowd and get some lyrics or something, yeah, nothing wrong with that. No. But you don't know, say you have to find a remedy. You have to find a remedy. You don't know, say the lines don't have to line up. Line up. As a music producer and a music publisher and music promoter, yeah, I publish great music from artists, and I play great music from all the artists that I work with. As I understand, you see me? So you have to find out, say, make sure say the line them, the line them up there. You see me? And make sure say before you even release the songs, before you release the songs them, or go studio go record them, you make sure say, I'm talking about more than one of you guys. I'm talking about that you guys go check some friends in the music industry, whether selector, you don't know this job, or producers, and find out what them I say. But you see one thing with some of these producers, I've seen that with some of these producers, you go and make them hear the songs. You see me? You go and make them hear the song and then after them thief your songs. You see me? You are the artist of song to sing. I've seen that. Yeah? So the first thing, make sure say before you go even make anybody hear the song, make sure say some people you rate. Yeah? People you trust, people you know they can be trusted with not thief your lyrics. Because when we go sing a song and say I feed them song and them write them song, well them thief your song. Me know that. You see me? So people please make sure say before you make anybody hear on a song or the studio anyway. Yeah, but I'm gonna make sure say when you know who not deal with, who not trust to make you hear your lyrics. You see me? As well. Some of these producers and studio engineer as well. There are some bloody thieves. Yeah, Jamaican. There are some bloody thieves. Because they want to drop their song and them see the song hot. So they release the song without the artist's permission and go say a feed them song. You know what I say? That's what tagline. You know the artist in a music video. What's not when I shoot music video? Because the man do a feature with you. No sir. Them things they don't work around you. You see what I'm saying, niggas? Alright. Them things they don't work around you, so. You see me? So, artists want to make sure they don't start out in the producing skills. Make sure say when you have our rights over the song. You see me? Make sure you have our rights over the song. Before when you even make. Because the producers, some of them, that's what they want. But some of them have become crooks. You see me? So them steal the song, steal their work, and go release that. And say it's their work, their song, and stuff. You see me? So you don't get anything off these songs. I've seen that as well. But with my establishment, we give fear. Yeah, that is FAIR, fear. We be fear. And we are real to the artists that work with DJ Joe Music. You understand what I'm saying? As well as publishing. Yeah, as publishing. Please make sure that you guys, when writing songs, that after you have been to studio and mix it down and stuff, that you guys have the full idea on where to release your songs. Because some artists and some distributors, some producers, they don't know one thing about releasing songs on the media. So, them have the songs stuck on pile, they don't want to play it on the bush there, so. You see me? Them have the songs them stuck on pile and don't raise the artist them song and then wait until rhythm them steal out and the song them start jarring. I do a song on jarring, you understand what I'm saying? Then wait until one long period at that time, then go dig up the rubbish bin and go put the song over there. No, we don't work with that game. You understand? So, artists, please link up. If you want some media we can release some song, link me up. Just make sure say you click the idea. You see me? Because this is tips in business. I'm teaching you guys about the business. I'm DJ Joe, #1. You see me? So, make sure to link me up. You see me? Me can get no link to distributors. You see me? But when you say somehow don't have the cash. You understand what I'm saying? Some of you guys don't have the cash to be distributing. Because some of these media distributors are very expensive, and to have your songs on YouTube and Vivo, you gotta pay some lot of cash. You understand what I'm saying? But understand this. You gotta spend to earn. You understand? You gotta spend some lot of money to earn some money. Lots of money. You see me? So it would be if you can borrow the money to pay the distribution company. Them borrow the money from your neighbor, borrow enough money from your family, or borrow the money from a close friend. You understand what I'm saying? But just make sure say you get your song for the copyright and stuff, and then you link the distributor. The distributor can get the copyright, you know. But you link the distributor, make sure say digital copy on Spotify, Apple Music, you don't know, etc. There are lots of distributors, and you guys can give me, and I will tell you something, you see me? But want all the artists to be big in the business. You understand? Because we know say no found artists have the talent, have the strength. But you guys don't have the support. You guys are just coming. You understand? I have been working with a lot of artists that you don't know them broke, and DJ Joe Music just help strengthen them things, you see, help to bring them things, you see, to make sure them work out in the street, get their music play in the street. You understand? As a disc jockey on the road every day and making mixtape, I have to be playing their music to give them the strength and also to give them the establishment of the music industry. Yeah, you understand what I'm saying, niggas? Yeah, just joking. I'm saying we really want to see more be done in the music industry. You understand? Because some artists out there in Jamaica right now, not only Jamaica, no found artists just need a little boost. I think they should have an artist loan where you know say you can go borrow some money and after your boss you can pay it back. But you see them artists there where I work with, I make sure, because you see my YouTube channel isn't monetized at a moment or content ID, I have to release their songs and link up whoever distribution company different from my company to sort out them songs with the content ID. You see me? Because my YouTube channel is just a start going, just boosting the strength. You understand? So we still need the strength over there. So people, we need them to click the like button, we need them to click the subscribe, and we need them to click the share button. If you don't have any option, if you don't have any question or opinion, you don't want to share, you go and comment in the comment bar way down there, you understand? Just go down there, so you see. And join me next time. I'm Baba Joe. Join me another time, yo Joe, on Tips in the Business. Yeah, you understand. Big up yourself. Straight up. Peace.